Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Ramadandi. I am the second presenter. I will explain about advantages of authentic material. Number one, they have a position effect on learners' motivation. Motivation also leads to increase of effort and energy. Motivation determines with her a student will pursue a task, even a difficult one. With enthusiasm or a lackluster attitude, motivation increases the initiation persistence of activities. Number two, they provide authentic cultural information about the target language. According Windows Sean, refer to socially acquired knowledge as systematic knowledge with he juxtaposes with systematic knowledge, with is the knowledge of the formal properties of language involving both its systematic and systematic system. Number three, they provide exposure to real language rather than the artificial text found in created material that have been specifically written to illustrate particular grammatical rules or discourse types. Uh, the use of authentic material will stimulate and motivate students to develop their potential as students to develop their communicative skill in the target language. The use of authentic material will enhance student confident to apply to their knowledge in real life communicative situation. And number four, they support a more creative approaches to teaching. Teacher can be develop their full potential as teacher, developing activities and tasks that better meet their teaching style and the learning style of student. Models are used to select and to structure teaching strategies, method, and skill and student activities for a particular instructional emphasis. According Joins and Whale identify for models, information processing, behavior, social interaction, and personal. Within each model, several strategies can be used. The next slide, critique of the use of authentic materials. Number one, created material can be also be motivating for learners. Strategies for motivating students. Number one, become a role models for student interest. Number two, get to know your student. And number three, use example freely. You use a variety of student active teaching activities. And the next, number two, authentic material often contain difficult language and another vocabulary items. Authentic material are print, video, and audio materials students encounter in their daily lives, such as change of address forms, job application, menus, voice mail message, radio program, and videos. And critique number 3, created material may be superior to authentic material because they are generally built around a graded syllabus and hence provide a systematic governance of teaching items. Common teaching materials include items such as worksheet, newspaper, pictures, textbook, and video recordings. In contrast, non-authentic materials refer to anything that has been designed specifically to aid the teaching process, such as worksheet, the textbook, and instructional CDs or DVDs. Number 4, critic number 4, using authentic material is a burden for teacher. Okay, the next material by Cory. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.